Now, I don't want to get ahead of myself just yet, but things are actually looking very good right now for a potential bottom to be happening. Now, I want to say I don't want to get ahead of myself because clearly bottoms can be broken. If you guys have been in the crypto space for any amount of time, well, you know that the dip can keep on dipping, and whether you buy it or not is not going to determine whether it bounces. But it seems like every time we buy the dip, it just, well, the dip continues to grow. But with that, we do have the fear and greed index that is bouncing back. We were sitting at a level of 10 extreme fear. Now we're back up to 20 fear. Emotions are calming just a little bit. Shiba Inu coin is maintaining support, and now analysts believe that it could be eyeing multi-year highs. So let's discuss what's happening, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I'm going to jump into this article in a second here, but I do want to say a couple things before we do. Number one, thank you guys for watching the video. I know you don't have to, but I absolutely appreciate all of the support, and we get some discussions going on, right? We're going to be talking about what's happening, but YouTube has really been cracking down on cryptocurrency content lately, so I want to be extremely explicit. This is in no way a recommendation, promise, promotion, suggestion that you guys do anything. Okay, this is simply a general discussion. Now, this is permitted by YouTube's policy. It is educational content, news, and discussions about crypto. We're simply going to be talking about the latest news, discussing what is going on, and I will be talking about some new tokens. Now, this does not mean that you guys have to rush out and spend your money on it. Absolutely not. But you do need to know that this stuff exists. There are literally, how many, what do we got here? Where is the number? Does it show us? No, now I don't know where they put the number, guys. There's, I think, oh, here, maybe down at the bottom. There are 27,630,000 different cryptocurrencies. I mean, that's insane. You're not going to be able to go over all of them. You're never going to be able to buy all of them. But you should know some that exist and some that are getting a lot of attention. And Maxi Doge is one of them. Now, I've actually bought into Maxi Doge, so please understand that. That doesn't mean that you guys need to buy into it. But this is a pure meme coin. They've already raised, I believe, $4,222,000. And you guys got a link for it down in the description if you want to check it out. At least you know you're going to be getting the right website if you use that link. But, I mean, it takes the Shiba Inu dog, this Doge dog here, and takes it to a whole nother meme level. It is not providing any utility. It is not providing any promises. It is purely speculative, and a lot of people are actually jumping into it. 173 buyers in the last 24 hours alone. I believe it's got thousands. How many followers does it have on X? 5,441 followers on X. These guys are growing. They're doing a very good job. And I'm excited about it because I do believe that when the market finally decides to bottom and rallies off these lows, meme coins will thrive. They're not going to do so during a period of extreme fear. They're not going to do so during neutral. And they probably won't do so during greed. But meme coins, they're ridiculous when people get extremely greedy. That's what I'm here for. Now, with that being said, let's talk a little bit about what Shiba Inu coin is doing and some potential here. Shiba Inu coin has shown renewed bullish momentum as it trades above a critical support zone, signaling potential for a strong upward move. Analysts highlight that the token's recovery from recent lows, noting sustained user interest despite subdued price trends. Financial expert here, the specific one, emphasized that the cryptocurrency could enter an impulsive uptrend if key resistance levels are reclaimed. The second largest meme coin by market cap is attracting attention from patient holders eyeing long-term gains. Now, potential upside. Shiba Inu coin recovered from the recent low of about 750 points per coin, reaching 892 before consolidating just a little bit. The analysts identified 750 and 650 as a crucial support range, historically responsible for sparking significant rallies. Now, if you want to see this visualized, you get the chart right here, and it's true. Okay, Shiba Inu coin coming down, bouncing off these levels to 8,800 points per coin. Coming back down to this crucial support zone, bouncing off to 4,400 points per coin, 4,500 points per coin back in March 2024. Of course, it's testing that zone right now. That chart's a little bit more consolidated than my chart is right here, but same deal, right? You can see Shiba Inu coin down in this area back in 2021, rips up to the 8,800 point per coin all-time high. consolidates around this red dotted line, which is where we're at right now, rips up to the high we saw in 2024. Shiba Inu coin consolidating around this range right now. Now, if the pattern repeats itself, yes, Shiba Inu coin could rip up, hitting some fresh highs. Doesn't have to, but that's the way that Shiba Inu coin moves. It is extremely explosive. It likes to run very quickly and consolidate over a longer period of time. Now, unless something dramatic happens and Shiba Inu coin completely shifts its focus and you've got a variety of different holders, why would the current holders act any different than they have, the last 3 times? Historically speaking, in Shiba Inu coin's entire existence, it explodes, consolidates, explodes, consolidates, explodes, consolidates. So the next upcoming rally, we could see the same thing, which is why I prepare myself for it now as we are consolidating. I don't want to be buying at the highs, guys. I want to be buying at the lows and selling at the highs. So if you're interested in owning Shiba Inu coin or any other cryptocurrency for that matter, you can, well, number one, you can download a wallet like Best Wallet. You got a link for that down there in the description. Or you can use a centralized exchange to grab your crypto. I like to use KCEX, but please do not interpret this as a promotion for you to use it. Make sure that you understand the best exchange for you. Have a discussion with your financial advisor, your mom, your dad, your grandpa, whatever it might be. But certainly don't construe this as advice. YouTube will come after you and they'll come after me, so don't take it as advice to do anything. But I've made my decision. These guys have the lowest fees, especially on futures. 0% maker, 0% taker on meme coins. Best selection of crypto that I've seen available in the United States. And of course, you can trade on 125x leverage if you want. Let me know what you guys decide to do down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.